Here we will write a Python program to find area and perimeter of a rectangle using function. So first in comment line we will write the formula for calculating area of rectangle is length into width. So area of rectangle equal to L into W and perimeter equal to 2 into L plus W. First we will define function find with two parameters as L and W. Then we will calculate area as L into W and we will calculate perimeter as 2 into L plus W. Then we will print it. So print area of rectangle equal to area and print perimeter of rectangle equal to perimeter. Then outside the function we will accept length and width for rectangle. So L equal to int input enter length of rectangle. In W we will accept width of a rectangle. So int input enter width of rectangle and we will call the function find and we will pass L and W as a parameter value and we execute this. I will enter length as 5, width as 6. It will print area of rectangle as 30 and perimeter of rectangle as 22.